The P1 thermal camera is one of the most powerful and portable infrared imaging tools you can get for your smartphone. Available on AliExpress, this compact thermal camera features a 320 by 240x superscript 3 IR resolution, a smooth 25 Hz refresh rate, and a maximum temperature detection range of up to 600 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for HVAC technicians, industrial inspections, car diagnostics, electrical maintenance, home energy analysis, and more. Compatible with iOS, Android, and Windows PCs, the P1 thermal camera offers impressive flexibility. It includes adjustable emissivity settings, temperature unit switching, and accurate thermal readings with plus or minus 3.6 degrees Fahrenheit accuracy. The included Temp Master app provides 12 color palettes, isotherm modes, point line area analysis, high/low temperature alerts, and both 2D and 3D offline image editing. At just 17 grams, the P1 is extremely lightweight and portable. It uses a 2mm extended Type-C connector, allowing it to work even with thick phone cases. The included 50cm extension cable makes it ideal for hard-to-reach inspections. With low power consumption and broad compatibility, this infrared camera is a must-have tool for professionals and DIY users alike. If you're looking for a reliable, high-resolution thermal imaging camera from AliExpress, the P1 is one of the best options available today.